Hello, Martin Englander from Brainy Automations, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can download the new Threads app, create an account, and how you can use this Twitter alternative that Facebook just brought out called Threads. If you are currently on a computer, you can head over to the website threads.net, and in the bottom right corner, if you select the barcode and then open up your phone, go into the scan QR code and then hover over it, and a link will pop up and you can just go ahead and select it. And if you're on a Apple or Android device, it will open up the App Store or the Play Store. Go ahead and click the install button. Once you're inside the app, you'll go ahead and start seeing a feed, or if you don't see a feed, it's because you're not following anyone. So go ahead and click the search icon. This will be a list of all the trending accounts right now. You can even search for your favorite people, like Mr. Beast, for example, and then you can just tap follow. Now when you open the app again, you'll start seeing posts from your favorite people. Head over to your profile page, and if you want to edit your profile, click on edit profile, and this is where you can change all the information. You can share your profile, have a look at the replies, and as you can see, it's very similar to Twitter. Below is all the threads, and this will show all your past threads. Just like what we used to, we have our heart for likes, comment button for commenting, our sharing for reposting or quoting, and then we can share it to other platforms. To create a tweet, we just simply click on the middle button icon, and we can say, can you see this? You can also add to this thread, can you see this too? And you can keep on adding. You can also click the icon where you can upload your own pictures, and then it will appear like this, and you just go ahead and do post. And now if you refresh the page, you see the post and all the threads, and when you select it, you'll have the whole thread of everything that you've just posted. When you click on the three dot icon with every post, you can determine who can reply, or you can hide the likes count. You can also click on it again and just delete it. If you'd like to learn more creative ways of using social media platforms or automating your business tasks, head over to brainyautomations.com for more information. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.